In this question, we have five principles. Principle 1 explains to us that there shall be a fundamental right to freedom of expression as well as freedom not to express. Principle 2 explains to us that the fundamental right to freedom of expression also includes the freedom to decide the content of the expression. Principle 3 explains to us that the fundamental right to freedom of expression does not extend to the right to realize the object of such an expression. Now, Principle 4 explains to us that fundamental rights are applicable only to the laws which are made by or administrative actions of the state and do not apply to actions of private persons. Now, Principle 5 over here explains to us that any law which is in contravention of the fundamental rights is completely void, unconstitutional, and therefore it cannot bind any person. Now, the facts in the present question are MDTV is a private news channel which has engaged Summer as a news reader in politics and defense analysis category. Employment contract provided that any question which is asked by the Summer regarding defense procurement has to be approved by the editor-in-chief. This was in view of the fact that 50% of the advertisement collection for MDTV was through the defense suppliers. Now, if the Parliament enacts a law to give all the government advertisements to the newspapers and channels which tag along with the defense policy, then the correct answer is such a law violates the freedom of expression or freedom not to express. Now, if we read the principle which is provided in the question, we get to know that Principle 1 provides that there shall be fundamental right to freedom of expression as well as freedom not to express. So, over here, so if we apply Principle 1 to the given set of facts, we get to know that the correct answer is C, that is such a law violates the freedom of expression or freedom not to express, right?